just make you a quick video to talk about how cheap silver is. And after the bounce that we had, let's see if we can bring up that chart. Here we go. Pretty hefty bounce off here, and gold did pretty well and pulled back a little bit. And I don't know where the price could go. It really could go all the way up here eventually, potentially breaking out of that big kind of triangle that we have. And when we were around here, let's see, not weekly, easier. When we were around here, there was almost a kind of panic selling that I saw, even by the proper bullion dealers. I didn't even realize it, but I was just looking and I saw that when I picked up a bit of silver, they were offering amazing prices if you bought directly from them. I got some through eBay, and I could have got a much better deal. Unfortunately, I wasn't even around to open the package, so I didn't notice it until like many weeks later. But then we had this run up, and it was pretty much the same story. There was around here in 2016 and 2017, you could get some really good deals on silver, on like kilo bars. That's what I'm looking at, or coins. There were some great deals on coins as well. And it came to a point where it was going down, 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 and around here, the prices just stopped going down, at least on eBay, and they started to kind of grind a little slowly and not pick up as much. So the kind of premium just started going. After this point, the premium started going up, so I picked up some silver cheaper around here than I could buy around here. And now, obviously, there's quite a bit of action. I think that was about 15% move altogether. Yeah, well, give or take, let's call it 15% from the low. From the high, from the low to the high, 15%, and now we're sitting at like 13. So that's 10% for the year, pretty much. Nice. But there's no cheap silver. I mean, in pounds, you should be able to pick up something for like 450. This is probably going to go for more. Let's look at the completed listings. But I'm looking, it's mostly like 470, 480, and I don't know why anyone would buy kilos silver off eBay from these kind of anonymous people, because you can buy it from far more reputable sellers. I mean, maybe the coins are a lot safer, these large coins, but still you can buy them new for the same amount from a bullion dealer. So I'm not sure why you'd really care about that. Let's go to bullion by post as well, once that loads. See, look, 500. What was this? The certificate on the back now. It's graded. Why, I don't have no idea about that one, but see there, that's 480 plus postage. I mean, if you look here, I mean, obviously if you're just buying one, but I bet if you phone these guys directly, you get a better price. But yeah, I guess with that bump, it's gone up even more than I thought. This is with tax as well, which is a premium you don't really lose in the UK. But yeah, it's all going for 500. I guess it bumped up faster than I thought, but you can't get cheap silver. And I made a video before, about 2 weeks ago, about it. Just before, I think it was just before this rally. And when was that? Yeah, so, oh no, it was just around this area. And I was just saying, you can't pick up cheap silver anymore, not secondhand. Someone got a great deal there. Oh, it's from the States, never mind. You can't pick it up cheap anymore. Not on eBay. The people that have sold long ago, that bought in the bubble and have got washed out, it appears. So this is just like one of the reasons why I think that the bottom may be in. I'm not saying that because the price rallied. I've been talking about bottom for I don't know, a couple of years now. I've been looking at it, and was talking around this area about the gold silver ratio and how there was going to be a big move, and there has been a big move. Just it's much slower to play out than crypto or something like that. So yeah, kind of interesting. Premiums have gone up on kilo bars or silver in general. Not really commenting on gold. It's doesn't matter, less volatile. I think it's got less upside potential. Yeah, this is at least in the UK, not cheap, or at least it's cheap compared to years and years ago, but not what I would pay on eBay for anything like this. So yeah, potentially gold's broken out, but I know people that think that gold is done. It's got much lower to go around here. So another 20%, 20, 25, 30% down. Even down here. But yeah, value there. And I was saying in other videos, silver goes down to like these levels, 12, 10. I mean, that's just crazy value right there. I still think there's value even right now. It's kind of annoying seeing a big rally like that, but I could see us pulling back over $1 potentially if you look at volume profile. So I'm sure we could get into the gritty support and resistance, and we're actually at pretty heavy resistance at this point anyway, so let's see how that goes. Very interesting. Very interesting to see what silver's going to do. But yeah, not cheap to pick up anymore, at least secondhand if you can find it from someone online you trust. Yeah, it's very interesting. That's all I got.